Hey guys, I'm Ed and this is my How to Draw Faces video. So, why am I making this video? You know, when we see a lot of artists coming up, one of the biggest mistakes they make is faces. You know, some asymmetry, misalignment, those types of things. And unfortunately, when people make those mistakes, the viewer isn't very forgiving. You know, right away they'll be like, the face is wrong, something's wrong. A lot of people keep saying something's wrong, but they don't know how to describe it. One of the reasons is because as a species, humans, we're used to looking each other in the face and recognizing so many minute details, right? And we don't always think about it, but boy, our brain is just processing it, right? We're always catching all these little details in the face. So that's why I made the unit, was to help you key on those little details and be able to understand them, use them, and draw them. Okay, so in this unit, we're going to cover a variety of lessons, everything from how to warm up, how to understand the structure, how to work the lips, the curvature of the eyes, using emotion, all of these types of things, right? I'm hoping by the end of this unit, you'll really feel comfortable drawing faces, whether it's using a reference or whether it's just constructing it on your own. Okay, so let's get to it.